Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Reddit. So in case you don't know what Reddit means or what is it all about, Reddit is a social news forum and website where users vote to filter and promote material in a socially responsible manner. Users will see a list of posts of compilation of text posts, link posts, photos, and videos. When they land on the site's homepage, the front page of Reddit account when logged out consists of the site's default subreddits. So to create an account, what you want to do is to go to any web browser and then type reddit.com. And then there you will see the homepage. If you go to the right side and tap these three dots, you will see there log in and sign up. And all you have to do is to click login if you have an account already and sign up if you don't have. So this is what it looks like. So you cannot vote here or you cannot comment or do anything you want unless you sign up and create an account. On the left side, you can see different features here. You can click or explore if you want. On the right side, you can see here popular communities. So these communities are what we call subreddit. So again, this is the front page and we have here a sample post from someone. If you go to this part right here, okay, you can probably filter this by best, hot, new, top, and rising. If you go to this, then you can simply select the location. If you tap this view, you can change this to classic. And they said that classic is the old version of Reddit. Okay, so if you go to card, this view is the new version. So, as what I have mentioned earlier, these popular communities are what we called subreddits. Okay, so if you click any of the subreddit here, it will take you directly to their site. And yes, you can upvote, you can downvote, you can comment and share. Okay, so subreddits are offshoot forums or subreddits on the Reddit platform. They enable users to upload information that is voted up or down based on users' choice and relevance, allowing them to concentrate on a particular interest or issue. Different subreddits on the main Reddit website direct users to sections of the website that match their interests. There might be subreddits for political comments, family, friend, and others. Even holiday related content, for instance. Subreddits cater to specific objectives as well. For instance, users can request that others use Photoshop to edit photographs they provided or suggest a product. Now, if you're looking for a specific subreddit or community, you can go to the search icon and then look for that specific subreddit there. Or if you are interested to like fashion and style, you can simply search and then tap this join here. But also you can unfollow or unsubscribe to this community or subreddit anytime. Okay. And then this is what it looks like. Now, yes, you can simply upvote, you can comment, you can share whatever post you can see here. Also, every community or subreddit, they have their own rules, okay? So it's better to go to this part to see the rules and regulations, the policies and restrictions of this subreddit so that you will have this idea on what to avoid when you try to post or comment to their site. Okay, so yes, if you have subscribed or joined to this community, you are allowed to create post. So yes, you can post, you can add some text here, you can simply edit. Okay, you can even add images, okay, and videos. So upload and then attach a file from your device. Link, you can copy URL and paste it right here and kindly add some title and then post. But you cannot poll, you cannot tap this poll because this is one of the restrictions of this community or subreddit. You can only post text, image, video, and link. Now, you could also look for other communities or subreddits above. You just have to tap that arrow facing down to change community or subreddit and post. But of course, you must subscribe or join to this community first. And when it comes to posting, I'm pretty sure that we have lots of thoughts and questions and words to post here, but there is what we call character limitation. Okay, so let's just say I want to post these words here. I want to post all of these words here, but unfortunately, I cannot because there is a character limitation. And as far as I know, there are 250 character limit. Okay, so I think 250 character prompt limit. Okay, so if you type above this limitation, of course, numbers will turn into red. Now below here, we have these options like mark this post as original content. This one is marked as spoiler. Okay, the other one we have here marked as not safe for work. And then last we have add flair. So if you tap this, we have DIY, feedback, showcase, fashion show, industry news, help me find. So you just have to select any of this here and then click apply and then click post. Okay, so that's it. So, like what I've mentioned earlier, every subreddit has their own restrictions and rules. So, if you cannot add some link, poll, or post or images, that means it is restricted. Okay, so if you really want to share this a thought, what you want to do is to simply look for other subreddit here. If you tap this arrow facing down, then there are tons of communities here, and maybe one of these communities, they allow or they will allow you to comment or post something like that, that you can't see any red or errors. So for example, this community, they only accept text or posts. They don't want images, link, and poll. Okay, so if you want to post a poll, that so you have to look for a community like this, okay, like this one. They will allow me to post a poll. Okay, so that's it. Now you just have to look for that community that fits to your post, something like that. Okay, so going back to the home page, if you want to create a post, you just have to simply tap create post here. And same thing, you need to choose a community. You can't post without choosing or selecting a community. Let's just say you want to share something to YouTube community or people. And as you can see here, there is a restriction and a rule that this one is a fan sub. You should not promote your own. Okay, so for more information, you can click this one. Now, if you don't like to post or if you don't like this restriction, then you have to find another community or subreddit. Now, if I select this one, so I think this community is stricter than other communities. Guess you can't post image, link, and poll here. So just keep on searching for that subreddit or community that you're looking for. Okay, so as you can see here, if I scroll down, then if you want to interact with the people here at Reddit, you just have to simply comment, share, okay, vote if you want. So we have here, if you tap the share icon, you can copy, you can also save this one. You can even comment here or reply here. You can vote and you can reply, you can report, share, or follow. If you think that this one is not good to everyone, then you can report this account. If you think that he or the users misuse Reddit, you can report this account. Okay, and you can follow also if you agree to his or her post, something like that. Okay, so now let's move on to awards. But actually, these awards here in Reddit is no longer available. Okay, before they have these awards where they can receive this. Okay, so coins, medals, cash, and so on. But unfortunately, when I search for rewards or awards on Reddit, I can only see this. Okay, so they already removed, and this feature is no longer available. So that's it. Now, for a small recap, if you want to join or create your Reddit account, you just have to visit or type reddit.com, and then there you can log in or sign up your account. Okay. If you want to log out, you can tap this one here and log out your account. Here you can also see other options. So you just have to tap it one. This is more on the settings of Reddit. Okay. So click log out if you want to. Now, again, if you want to vote, you just have to click this vote here. If you want to share, comment, reply, if you want to report or follow an account, everything is here. If you want to create a post, you just have to tap create post, choose a subreddit or community here. Now, each community has their own rule and restrictions. So if you can post here images, links, and poll, others they won't allow you to do that. Okay, so that's it. You just have to find that subreddit that you're looking for. So just explore Reddit. Okay, you can tap this arrow facing down to see more features here, such as settings. If you go to the top right corner, you will see there also like popular, we have here chats and notifications. Okay, so all you have to do is just explore everything here. So I really hope that somehow I give you a little bit information about Reddit. So it's very easy to use. All you have to do is to create an account and interact to any of these Reddit users here. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.